A scheduling server fails during morning intake. A dispatch laptop cannot connect. A production workstation goes down before the next shift. These are not just IT issues. They disrupt care, billing, production, evidence, and customer service. As Randy Hall, CEO and founder at Securafy, says, a useful IT partner understands which systems matter most and builds controls and response plans before interruptions happen. That is why Cleveland organizations need more than reactive IT support. Critical systems require secure access, reliable backups, clear escalation paths, and fast recovery. With 77% of enterprises outsourcing cybersecurity functions, prevention, accountability, and compliance matter more than ever. Before choosing an IT provider, ask how they handle backup testing, device replacement, user access, critical incidents, and compliance evidence. Build your IT strategy around business continuity, not just ticket resolution. Read the full article to learn what Cleveland organizations should expect from an IT partner, and add this to your Spotify playlist.